All right, guys, you asked for it and we are delivering. On our membership, we have every single letter in box form and 3D letter form, but we also have shaker lids. Crafty Mommy Bees, who is a master paper crafter, he helped us film 26 videos so that when you guys are doing your letters, you can watch her video over and over, step by step, or pause it, speed it up, or just skip forward if you're having an issue with certain parts. But she also shows tips and tricks on her favorite glues, her favorite tapes, and little embellishments that you can do to these letters. Guys, the possibilities are endless. So as an Auntie member, don't forget, you get all of these files. We have the shaker top option, the box option, the hollow option, and add-ons. And our add-ons are growing and growing. So the themes you can do with these are endless. So thank you again to Stephanie. Let her know in the comments below that you love her for doing this for you guys. And it is just a perk to our members that you guys have a step-by-step guide for all of the 3D letters. I love you guys. Thanks for being members. If you're not, check out auntie.com. For $8 a month, you get access to thousands of cut files and fun resources like this video series. Bye.